This road wasn't that bad. In the summer this road is just shit. Let's see what is the configuration here. Jesus Christ! How are they doing something? Oh damn! They are going here. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Damn! This could actually be pretty good spot maybe. There is one shit you need to avoid, like big time. Need to go on the outside. Yeah, not the smoothest spot, but you know. Oh, now we are clear. Ay, too much action and very less, or how to say, not much space, using the handbrake as well. Damn, this feels like some kind of a gameplay or something. Damn, using the handbrake you can do fucking a lot. Let's try here. Oi, oi, oi. Okay. Wasn't that slippery at all? Jeez. Yeah, here we slow down a little bit because this shit is a little bit ass. And now we move. Oj, oj, oj. Damn, slippery here, very. Okay. This is smooth, actually. Okay, let's do this one. Oj, jobany. Yeah, man. Just chill. Damn. Let's go here. Our usual. Damn, this is fun. Ow. go here. Oh damn! Nice spot. Jeez. Ooh! See, with the handbrake it's fucking awesome. You can, how to say, fix corners and shit. Damn! We are the best car because, no, I mean, we have the most skill here, and that's why we are getting recorded by the drone man. Scary as hell because you don't know what's underneath. No, 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 no. Damn. First, luckily there was a snow, which was a nice buffer. Jeez. Fucking